In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a font size in Google Spreadsheet. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a Google Spreadsheet here by clicking on apps here and just simplifying sheets. And we will just choose anything. I'm going to choose, for example, this annual budget here. And it's one of those templates, right, with information. So here you can see text on this spreadsheet, right? And if you want to change the text size, doesn't matter. It could be here, here, whatever. I'm going to choose, for example, this one here. And so you will see that I have the text. Now you may be wondering how I don't see the text when I click here. You can easily edit it by double click. And so once you double click and highlight the text, you will now look for where it shows the size at the top here in the bar. It's normally right next to bold button. And as you can see, right there you have it. And so you can decrease it or increase it the way you want. So let's say I like it like that and I have it changed. And so that's how easy it is, guys. And if you want to, let's say, add new text or something like that, let's say I wanted to add something here, I can automatically set my font size here and then I can just start to type here, right? So I can just type in the word test and you can see that it start. And if I type it and later want to adjust it, I can click on the cell or double click and highlight and reduce it to whatever I want. And so that's it. Very easy and very simple.